Foreign buyers can purchase residential property in Korea. However, the exact process may differ depending on the buyer's residency status, the source of the purchase funds, the location of the property, and whether the buyer is an individual or a corporation. Step 1. Prepare your identification documents. This normally includes your passport, a Korean residence card if applicable, and proof of your current address. A foreign corporation may also need corporate registration documents, certificates of authority, and documents identifying the company's representative. Step 2. Select the property and conduct due diligence. Work with a licensed real estate agent and confirm the seller's legal ownership. Review the property registry for mortgages, liens, seizures, provisional registrations, and other registered claims. Building records, unpaid management fees, occupancy conditions, zoning restrictions, and other legal or physical issues should also be checked before proceeding. Step 3. Check the permit requirements. Some transactions may require prior land transaction permission from the local government. The requirements depend on the property, the buyer, and the location. This should be confirmed before signing a contract or paying a deposit. The parties should also agree in writing on how the deposit will be handled if the required permission is denied. Step 4. Arrange banking and remittance. Foreign buyers should contact their bank in advance and confirm the documents required for foreign exchange reporting and international remittance. Non-resident buyers may need to provide additional evidence, explaining the source and purpose of the funds. All transfers should be properly documented and made through traceable banking channels. Step 5. Sign the contract and complete the payment. Once any required permission has been obtained, the parties can sign the final purchase agreement. The contract should clearly state the purchase price, payment, schedule, closing date, included items, possession conditions, and each party's responsibilities. At closing, the buyer pays the balance and receives the documents required for the ownership transfer. Step 6. Complete the reporting, tax, and ownership registration procedures. The transaction must be reported within the applicable statutory deadline. The buyer must also pay the applicable acquisition tax and register the transfer of ownership. Additional foreign exchange reporting may be required, depending on the buyer's status and the structure of the transaction. Buying property in Korea is manageable, but the correct order is important. Confirm the requirements before signing or paying a deposit. Verify the legal and physical condition of the property. Document every transfer of funds, and work with qualified real estate, legal, banking, and tax professionals throughout the transaction.